Agaciro. It's in you. It always has been. And no one can ever take away what Imana himself has given to you. Oyanhawe. But they can lie. They can manipulate the truth,
fabricate proof
infiltrate the grown and the youth
for their own gain. Some people enjoy seeing others in pain.
But keep in mind that no one can take away anything that is embedded in your existence.
And since the creation of Rwanda Rwagasabo, know that we've been dignified people.
Know that our founding fathers and mothers had a swag so heavy, so lit, you either had to get with it or break our spirit, bro. You feel me?
Yes. And we're not here to flatter you.
We're simply here to tell you the truth.
But they chose the latter, though.
And with a broken spirit, for a while, we lost it.
We forgot who we were and what we stood for.
Forgot everything that we were good for.
We forgot that we were dignified
and forgot what that signified.
Ariko twagize gutya twikubita agashi.
Twibuka abo twari turibo. Nicyo twaremewe.
Ubundi abasore bakandagirana umurava wa abari nabo bakenyera ubupfura ubundi dufata inzira ijya imbere tutareba inyuma dore ko umuco wamubyaye asa nk'ishami ryihakanaho ryatoshye
kagira inkuru. We had to remember our birth as a nation,
relearn what we were worth,
reclaim our roots and values, and our lessons now are imprinted on us like tattoos. These lessons were hard to learn,
but we learned them, bruh.
So well, we give lessons now, bruh. Schooling the world on resilience, persistence, consistency, and forgiveness. And I don't know if you've been told, but ever since we've got things in control, we've got other countries looking at Rwanda like, squad goals, squad goals.
So know your worth. Plant yourselves in the fertile grounds that you've been given. Get comfortable with who you are and the greatness you come from.
Know that none of this is new. It has always been a part of you. It is in your blood, in your lineage. Dignity has always been part of your heritage. So no matter who you are,
or where you come from,
friends from near,
friends from afar, with
equally beautiful cultures, if ever you're feeling lost, reach out in the distance and reclaim what is yours.
Remember it, know it, own it.
Add a twist or a twang if you want to. Throw in some slang if you want to. Nobody's mad at you.
Remember, Rwanda wouldn't be Rwanda without Rwandans like you.
We define it. We've been defining it, and we are going to keep defining it our way, all day, every day. Murakoze.
Thank you.